if you look at this border now, you will see that this shape has fill, it has color. I'll format it, come here, go to shape fill, remove the the color, and come to the line out weight. I will come here, select the line out weight, select the line out weight, and select the color that I want, the color that I want. Today I will be showing you the step by step on how to design a letter headed paper of an organization using only Microsoft Word. Follow me, let us go. Come here to your Microsoft Word icon, click on it and it will open. Select your blank document. This is our blank document. I will click on it and it will open. I will maximize my page, remove my header. I will come here. The next step is page layout. I will come here, select my paper size, select it to A4, and make sure that the orientation of your paper is in portrait. Once you have already done all these things, I said that I will be designing this letterhead using only word art and text box tool. I'll go to my insert. I'll click on my word art. Once I click the insert, property bar will come out, and this is our property. These things, they are our property bars. All these things, I will come here, select my word art. Once I select it, template will run up. I'll select the template that I want. This is the template that I want. I'll click on it, and once I click on it, a text box where I will write what I want to write will come out. I will write the name of the school, name of the organization. This letterhead belongs to a school, Nuruddin Technology and Arts School. I'll select them, come here, back to my home, select the font style that I want. I will be doing with area rounded. I'll select the font style, reduce the font size, reduce it a little bit so that it will be in a straight line. It will be in a straight line. I will drag it to where the position that I want it to be. This is where I want it to be. The next thing is I will select it. Maybe I'm not seeing what I'm doing very well. I will zoom out a little bit so that I will be seeing it. I will format the text, come here, select the color that I want. I'll click on it and color palette will pop up. I'll select the color that I want. This is the color that I want. Select the color of your choice. The color of your choice, you select it, and this is the outline color. Select your outline weight, my outline weight, and select the color that I want. The next thing to do is to put logo. School. I will write the address of the school. Then another thing, phone number. Maybe what you are writing here now, you expand it, you open it a little bit so that you'll be seeing what you are writing. Then another thing is email, if there is any. As you are doing your formatting, you remove the fill and the shape outline so that the line of this text box will not come outside. The next thing to do is to write the motto of the organization. You still go carry your text box to come here. Once you carry it, your cursor will change to plus. You will drop your text box tools, and the motto of this school is train to excel. Train to excel. This train to excel, I would like to give it a special effect. I will come here, fill color. I will select the color that I want. As you are designing, make sure that you are not doing color blocking. Then I'll select the font size and the font style. The font size and the font style. Increase a little bit. Then keep it here. Make sure that everything you are arranging your work, everything here should be in center alignment. Center alignment. Format your text box. Remove the line color if you don't want it to have any line. You are arranging your work very, very well. Now the next thing to write is our ref, your ref, and this our ref, your ref is so important in letterhead in so that if the organization is to reply to a letter that was sent to them, that's the reason of this ref and our ref. You still go to your insert, shape, carry your text box tools, drop it. This our text box has turned. You have to turn it to reverse it. Reverse it. If not, you remove it. Draw another one. Insert. Go back to your insert to shape. Draw text box. Carry your text box. Drop it where you will write our reference. Our ref. Our ref. Our ref. Your ref. Your ref. Your ref. And the dates. I will format it. You can see I am formatting it. Once I'm through, I'll format my text box tools. Still come here, no fill. The reason of this no fill so that it will not block anything. And outline, no outline. Make sure that you arrange your work very well. Arrange them. The next thing is my letterhead is ready. As you can see now, this letterhead is ready. The next thing that I will do is to put border. I will come here, carry the shape that I want. I want to use rectangle. I will put border. This is the border. I will put border. This is the border. And if you look at this border now, you will see that this shape has fill. It has color. I'll format it. Come here, go to shape fill, remove the color, and come to the line out weight. I will come here, select the line out weight, select the line out weight, and select the color that I want. The color that I want. Yes, as you can see now, this letter headed paper is ready. The next thing is to save up, or if there is any other thing that you want to do. Okay, look, I want to add watermark to this letterhead. I will come to design. I'll click on design and property bar will pop up. This is the watermark. I will click on watermark, come to custom watermark. This custom watermark, I will click on text watermark. If to say it's text, still on watermark, I will select the text. If you are selecting, select the font that you do apply. Once you do apply, it will come out. If you do not like the color of the watermark, you come here, change the color that you want. Once you click on the color, you will do apply. You will do apply. Look at it. And once if like this you get your desired color, the color that you want. Once you get your desired color, you will close it. Look at our letter headed paper is very much ready. As you can see, look at the watermark, look at our letter headed paper, look at it, look at the preview. Maybe here is not well aligned. You arrange your work very, very well. Make sure that you arrange, because letterhead is a confidential paper. As I said, letterhead is a confidential paper. Arrange your work very, very well. You arrange it, maintain a good spacing. Maintain a good spacing. Next thing to do is to save up. You come to your file, do save as, come here, desktop,